Hello to everyone. Listen now. Can you hear that? You hear nothing? Exactly. This is the point. Because it's absolutely silence. I'm in this beautiful rainforest. I can feel the damp from everywhere. It's amazing. I am only 30 minutes away from Tarragona. And in the last 30 minutes we ride in a beautiful roads like this. And it's just unbelievable. It's amazing. It's just amazing how creative the nature is and how different Australia is. I will not even start my motorcycle. I just want to enjoy this. See how cool it is. Oh man. I cannot believe how every 200 or 300 kilometers we have like a different country. See this? Like a topic, real topic. And I'm still in Victoria. Man, unbelievable country. For each one of you who ask me what I'm gonna do here, there is nothing in Australia. This is what I want to show you now. There are much more to see than you'll ever expect it. Actually, to see properly Australia, you need to spend here 2-3 years. 2-3 years, and you wouldn't be able to see everything. It is such a wonderful country. Look at now this. How lucky I am. These huge trees. Oh man. What a great experience. So quiet. No traffic, just me and Milen. Milen is somewhere ahead of me. Probably stop and wait for me. Because I was stopping all the time making pictures and talking on the camera. I record so many different video clips. Ah, wonderful. But I want to show you this. I just wanted to show you. I even decided that I will upload videos every 2 or 3 days, not every day, just because I don't want to push you to watch the videos all the time. But then when I see something like this, man, I want to share it as quick as possible. Yes, I will have this detailed video series. Yeah, everything will be very well described and stage by stage, day by day, everything I have experienced on my trip. But these short updates, just I cannot resist. That's why I'm uploading videos every day, because every time when I see something like this, I say, man, this is the best. On the next day, I can see something even better. That cool is everything here. Man, I love Australia. Look at this. You don't even need to start the engine. Oh, wonderful. Just wonderful. I don't know how many kilometers it is. Probably around 10. I'll ask Milen when I get down there. But it is... I really hope that the camera will be able to project it exactly what it is, because it is like low light conditions, but what my eyes see, it's amazing. Whew. Here you go. I just turned it off because it's great, my friend. Thank you very much. It was wonderful experience to have.
I think the best part is down there.
Alright, so we're gonna walk a little bit. Yeah, alright. I turned off the engine back there. It was wonderful. Alright, let's walk to see what is inside. Here will be alright. You know, my side stand is not so stable. I hope it will not go going down. For a while. Not many people. Let's walk around. Huh? Did you take your stuff?
I'm just gonna leave my helmet.
Alright, alright. I'll take the helmet because I need the camera. Unfortunately my GoPro battery died. I don't know why. I supposed to recharge it last night, but now I turn it on and I saw battery is 1%. Let me check it again. Maybe I will have more battery, maybe not, but yeah, it is what it is. Hello GoPro, you've got good quality, but that's it, only the quality, nothing else. Functionality is terrible. Ha! Miracle, now I have 98%. Oh, lucky, absolutely wonderful. So guys, this is just a quick video to show you what it is, where I was, and thanks to Milan I was able to visit this place. So let me show you his GS, and here, say hello to your friends. So again guys, if you want to say thank you to someone, say thank you to Milan, not to me.
Thank you to everyone.
Alright, cool. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.